Oh, Missy, he said, I like it. But I'm adult. Look, oh, Missy, this is so colorful. Missy, you have homework. Missy, it's 4:30.
I'm gonna do this one thing. What is that? It's a robot.
Yeah, the robot.
Whoa, what is this?
It's the bag. Wow. Oh, wow, Missy, gorgeous. Oh, I want this one.
Wait, Mommy, you adult.
I think this is your paradise for you.
Oh, a mermaid.
It's the vending machine.
I have already the vending machine.
Missy, come here. Let's get home. Missy, you have a lot of homework.
Mommy, I want a skateboard.
Missy, it's almost 5 o'clock. Missy, where are you?
What are you walking?
What do you mean, Missy? What do you walking? I don't understand. What do
Why
you...
did you walk so slow?
Oh, why are you walking so slow? Because I'm dragging my feet. Let's get home. Let's check our counter over there. Okay, yeah! Yippee!